I'm going to show you 3 genius tricks when it comes to folding your coats, your sweatshirts, your long sleeve shirts, your t-shirts, and then I'm going to show you a trick when it comes to folding your pants and shirts. This is going to be especially useful for travel. Starting with the coat here, moving to the pants, and then coming back to the coat. Take your coat, you're going to flip it under like so. The farther up you can get it, the better. You can see right here. I've created a little bit of a pocket. Then you're going to take one arm, flip it inside, just like that. Take the other arm, flip it inside, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip my coat around so that I can easily roll it. As you see, roll, 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 roll. The tighter the roll, the better. This not only keeps your coat nice and compact, but let me just show you here in a second. This makes for an excellent travel pillow. You can see I have a bungee here on this side of the coat so I can tighten up a little bit more if I wanted to. You could put little personals in here. You could put a book in here. Amazing, my friend. Again, you can do that with almost anything. Now let's move over here to this pants and shirt trick. I absolutely love this. We're going to set the pants aside for just a second. I'm going to take my shirt. This is a floppy sort of shirt, so if you can do it with this material, you can do this with anything that is a bit stiffer. Go ahead and lay your shirt out. The back of the shirt is facing me. I'm going to fold in one side of the shirt and flip that sleeve in on itself. I'm going to fold in the other side of the shirt and then flip this sleeve in. There we have a nice little square. There's a couple ways that you can do this. You can take the bottom and move it all the way up to the top, or you can do a section fold like you see right here. Now you have a beautiful fold for your shirt. Now let's take this over to our pants. Over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the top of the pants down about the length of the pocket. Then I'm going to take this leg and flip it over like that. Here's where you're going to place your beautiful shirt that you just folded. If you have socks, underwear, or bra, you can also put it on top here at this point. Take the top of your pants, flip it down on itself, and then you're going to take this leg, fold it over. You can see the leg here is a bit longer, so what I'm going to do is actually just going to tuck this in a little bit so that it meets this section. You have your last leg right here. You want to make sure that you pull it decently tight, flip it on over, and you can see you have a little pocket that you just created. You're going to go ahead and tuck your pant in there. You can see I've created this beautiful, beautiful square, so I have all my valuables in here, all in one when you're packing, when you are traveling. Now let's move back to our coat really, really quickly. Taking our coat, but this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it completely out like so. I'm going to move one arm in. I'm going to move the other arm in. Again, you can do this with a sweatshirt. I'm just going to flip it around. And now this time I'm going to roll it, roll it, roll it nice and tight. Roll, 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 roll. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the inside of your coat, and then you can actually flip it in on itself. So now you've created the same thing that we did before, just a different way to do it. Let me know in that comments box below which coat folding trick that you prefer. And again, use this as a pillow, use this in your travels. You can put anything in here. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with a friend. And if you want to see a really cool sock folding trick, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.